and hopefully that's what they're working on.
All right, we're talking to Rick Santorum, Senator Santorum, and we're getting his take on what took place in Singapore. I do want to ask you about something else, because we still haven't repealed Obamacare. I know you're aware of that.
I am aware of
that.
But
you're trying again. You've got something up your sleeve. What's going on?
Well, you'll be hearing, we're planning an announcement next week. It's going to be a really, it's the best opportunity to lower premiums, make health care affordable, lower deductibles, and get government out of the insurance business that is destroying markets and causing an explosion of high cost and a lack of affordability of health care. And it's patterned on what we worked on last year, which is primarily a block grant to the state. It's going to dramatically expand health savings accounts. Get power back to the people, get the help to people that are lower income, that need help in purchasing insurance, but more importantly than anything is to lower the cost of health care. And we do that through putting the consumer back in charge and getting the insurance companies and the government out of the business of trying to control the healthcare field.
Do you think there's a chance that might get done before November?
Yes, I do. I think there is a chance to do that, and I'm actually very encouraged by the response that we've gotten up on Capitol Hill, response we've gotten from some of our nation's governors who are lined up behind these principles and trying to send a message to Congress that there is time to act and there is need to act. They're talking about premium increases again of 15 to 20%. And in one state of Maryland, there was one that filed a 91% increase in premiums. So costs are going up for the very people that Barack Obama said needed the help. Here's the interesting factoid, that there were 40 million uninsured when Obamacare started, and now the Congressional Budget Office projects that 10 years after Obamacare started, there'll be 35 million uninsured. And we will have spent $1.6 trillion to improve the number of uninsured in this country from 40 million to 35 million. And the Democrats have already abandoned Obamacare. They're off on single payer because they know it doesn't work. So we have a failed system. It really is incumbent upon the Republicans to keep their promises and actually pass something this summer before the election.
Well, I certainly hope it's worth having. I mean, I don't want them to pass just something for the sake of it. It's got to be something that actually delivers on that promise, and that promise was the complete repeal, right?
Well, it won't be a complete repeal because with 50 votes in the Senate, we only have 51 Republican senators. It's hard to get a complete repeal, but we will repeal taxes. We will cut spending. We will get the money out of Washington. We'll take all the Obamacare spending and eliminate it. The Medicaid expansion will go away, and we'll get money back into the hands of states who can put it in the hands of individuals and design a system that's going to lower costs and make it more affordable for people to have access to health care.
All right. Well, Senator Rick Santorum, nice to know you're still out there working. We're going to see you back in Iowa anytime soon.
Not anytime soon, but you never know. You never know.
The Iowa State Fair is coming up, right?
I hate to miss that. Like I said, you never know.
It's just 50-something days away, and be nice to see you and your wonderful family back here as well.
Thank you.
God bless you, sir. Nice to talk to you as always, and we'll chat again soon. Take care.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.